I'm Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog, and today we're going to talk about how to kick your voiceover career in the tush, how to get it going with the magic of momentum. Now, momentum is a law of physics. And you've heard it a million times before. A body at rest tends to stay at rest. A body in motion tends to stay in motion. But there's some practical things you can do to get momentum to kick in your voiceover career, because the number one enemy of momentum is perfectionism, waiting until you have everything just right to begin. So I've got a few really good quick tips for you that will help out. Number one is that doing things fast takes on a life of its own. So you've got to push yourself to do things when you're sort of ready, but not necessarily 100% ready. So put some dates on your calendar and go on Wix, get a free website up, do a good enough demo. It might not be the perfect masterpiece you want, but something that's good enough that can get you out there. Number two is doing things fast attracts people to you. So I can almost guarantee that when you put yourself into motion, when you push yourself, opportunities will seem to fall out of nowhere. I've had that happen in my career. When I was first starting out, I was hustling. I was doing everything I could to get going in voiceover, and all of a sudden, I landed Citibank, right, as a core customer of mine now for over 20 years. So I've seen this happen again and again, not just with me, but with my students as well. Doing things fast attracts people who can help you. Number three, doing things fast also attracts resources. So people tell me if they need some money for training or for a demo to push their career forward, the very fact that they've gotten into action, all of a sudden, they get a windfall. They get just enough money to get that thing done, but nothing happens until you start. The attitude starts inside, and then you go outside and take the action. And finally, doing things fast creates chaos. So you have to be willing to have things be a little messy in the beginning while you are getting things off the ground, which might mean that you've got calls to return, you've got sort of like half a website for a while, but just get yourself going. It will reap a lot of rewards, and momentum will pull you forward. I'm Susan Berkley, and I'll be back next week with more Inside Voiceover.